bend your arm at the elbow. Feel your upper arm. It feels harder. This is called the biceps. The biceps are muscles. There are about 600 muscles present in an adult human body. Muscles are made of fibers and are generally attached to the bones by means of tendons. Muscles, along with bones, help to give shape to the body. They also help the different parts of the body to make the movements. According to the nature of their functions, muscles are of two types: voluntary muscles and involuntary muscles. Some actions are performed whenever we wish, like eating, walking, etc. We can start or stop these actions whenever we want. Muscles that carry out these actions act according to our wishes or volition are called voluntary muscles. Movements brought about by voluntary muscles are called voluntary movements. Our arms and legs contain voluntary muscles. The functions of the stomach, intestines, heart go on in a fixed manner. The functioning of these organs is not dependent on our wishes. Such muscles are called involuntary muscles, and their movements are called involuntary movements. For good health, it is important that our muscles are strong and functioning efficiently. Regular exercise makes our muscles strong. The rate of heart's action increases during exercise, and we breathe faster. As a result, plenty of oxygen and nutrients in the blood are supplied to all parts of the body. This makes us feel refreshed and lively. Click the button True for a correct statement and the button False for an incorrect statement. Well done! Please try again. Well done! Fill in the blanks by clicking on the correct option. Excellent! Please try again. Please try again. Excellent! Answer the following questions by clicking on the correct option. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. Every single person has a skeleton made up of many bones.